Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to take the topic of vocabulary. So in the vocabulary, the technical words of vocabulary are being taken in today's session. So what are those vocabulary words? Before entering into these vocabulary, you are going to see what is the definition of technical vocabulary which is given in this lesson. So technical vocabulary is also called jargon there. So this technical vocabulary is called jargon. So Jargon. So what is the jargon? The definition we are going to say is jargon is a set of words. So jargon is a set of words and phrases. So these are set of words and phrases that is used mainly in specific academic and professional field. So where you are going to see this jargon? So these are the vocabulary words only. So this is a set of words and phrases. So these are a set of words and phrases, and that is mainly used in a specific and academic of the professional field. So what is this specific academic and professional field? For that one we are going to give with example. So you have to follow how you are going to use these technical vocabulary in the following of giving examples there. So what are the examples that are going to be taken here is when people are working with computers. Now you are going to follow with the example how far these vocabulary of the technical words are used. So for that one you are going to see that a person is working. So for example, not a person, or when people are working with computers and software. So those people who are working in the software and with the connection of the network of the computers, there the terms are used. So in that computers of software, there they are going to use of the terms there, the term TERM terms, like. So we are going to give the new words which are going to appear while taking with this example there. Chip, first one example here is the word chip, CHIP, chip. Then byte, BYTE is the byte, and cookie, COOKIE, that is cookie, and BUG, bug, and virus, VIRUS. So these are the words remaining have meaning, and that is different from the general meaning. So these words are connected with the computers, the people who are working with the computers and with the related software. These words are being used there, and those words again by the usage of the software terms now we have said. What are those words? Chip, byte, cookie, bug, virus, etc. The words have meaning. These words have meaning that is different from the general meaning, because these are related with the computers and the general meaning is different from the computers with the software of the words there. Then when you come to the experts in every field, so experts in every field use jargon, a kind of shorthand to communicate with their peers. So now the experts who are going to work with the software or even with the connectors, they are going to have to use jargon, because first itself technical vocabulary is called jargon, and this jargon is a kind of shorthand communicate with their peers. Since every discipline has its own specified vocabulary, it would be impossible to know or the master of jargon of all domains. So when these domains are the workers who are going to connect it with the system software or even with the networking of the computers, there you can use the word called as domain there. And these it would be impossible to know that who is the master of this jargon of all the domains. They should have to see whether the proper words are being related from this software terms there. So now in this unit we are going to look at some words. So now we are going to see the words of the technical vocabulary from these giving of some words with their examples there. So some words are used now in the business fields. Now where some words are going to be taken into the vocabulary of the part of business. So that is why you can see that the words are being taken under the business vocabulary, which is being identified and noticized under the technical of the terms of the vocabulary, where you are going to see with the business terms there. And first one, we are going to the letter with agenda. So that agenda is there. And what is the meaning of agenda? So that agenda, written list of points to be discussed in a meeting. So before the meeting, you can see that. So what is your agenda? You will ask. So what is the agenda? So at what time it starts? So what you want to have your plan of preparation there. And the words can be taken in these business words. And now we are going to have these words that are related with the technical vocabulary under the session of this business vocabulary there. And first word I am going to speak of the word that is agenda. Agenda is there. And what is the meaning of that agenda also you can see. Written a list of points to be discussed in a meeting. So whatever the points are to be discussed in a meeting, they should have to be present on a list of points that are being written. And attendee. Attendee means a person or the one who attends a meeting. Then BID, bid. The price buyer is willing to offer for shares in a company. So that bid you can say the price buyer. So the price a buyer is willing to offer for the shares in a company. Billboard. A signboard for advertising posters there. Blue chip stocks. Stocks of leading companies that have stable growth and earnings. Then come to the capital. Money and other property of companies used in a business transaction. Capital stock. All shares representing the ownership of a company. Capital stock. All shares representing the ownership of a company. Then casting a vote. An extra vote usually cast by a chairperson. So what is this casting a vote? What is the meaning of that one is an extra vote or usually cast by a chairperson to decide an issue. So to decide an issue when the voters on each side are equal. So when the voters are on each side they are equal, you can give the casting vote to the person there. Then that is the thing usually cast by a chairperson there. Then conference call. Conference call. A telephone call between 3 or more people in different places. So you can see a telephone call between 3 or more people in different places. Then consensus. Consensus is the general agreement there. So what is the general agreement? Then come to the word of dividend. Dividend, a part of company earnings that is paid to the shareholders. So a part of company's earnings. So dividend, a part of the